Hi guys, Phil Zeltzman here. This is an invitation for you to join me during my workshop at UVC in April of 2019 entitled Blogging Easily. My promise to you is that you will leave my workshop with a blog. My goal is not to convince you that you should write every single blog. However, if you would like to be the voice of your practice every so often, this is for you. I will give you some tools and simple strategies for you to write blogs easily. Then I will help you create a team so that you can be held accountable as often as you would like. You can write once a week, once a month. That's completely up to you. This is a one-time workshop, so don't miss it. There will be work, and even though it's a workshop, there is no shop. So hopefully I'll see you there. Thank you.